Is your pricey HR software actually holding your team's performance back? What if you could unlock genuine 360-degree feedback and AI insights without having to swap out your current system? All right, everyone. The project we're looking at today is FEA, and this one's dead simple, folks. Slash your performance review admin by 70% and get instant, top-notch reporting. So this just makes everything heaps more efficient. Whether you've got a small, medium or large team, you're sorted. Getting an annual review done, getting your analytics, and really being able to connect with and review your staff a whole lot more efficiently. All right, so we're in the review section here. I'll just show you how easy it is to go ahead and set up a cycle. So you sort it out using an AI-powered formula. You've got two options here: generate with AI, see how much time it saves you, or you can start from scratch. So if you want to go ahead and actually generate it with AI, you can tell it exactly what you want to do. So for example, let's say we want to go for 360-degree feedback. We're going to select that. Who do you want to fill out the question in? In this example, it'll be for peers. So select peers, then hit next. I love the user interface. It's really interactive and easy to use. What rating scale would you like to use? Let's say automatically generate the scale. And are there any other considerations, instructions or preferences? All right, so we could say something like, make sure the analysis always considers bias, for example there. Okay, click next there, and it's as simple as that. It's generating the form. It might take up to 90 seconds, and what they've got here at EFI right now, folks, is you can sign up for a completely free account for a limited time. The link to sign up will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. It includes all the features, nothing's restricted, and hey, you don't need to enter your credit card details. Like that. All right, now if we go back and have a look, the 360-degree peer feedback questionnaire has been created. Okay, so we've got the conversation settings up here, ask the questions as they are, the form for peer review, welcome screen. Okay, and all the other sections here, have a look at that. Check out what it's generated, all the way down. You can add things if you want, you can chuck in a form. And if you just go back, we can also have a bit of a look in the review section of one we did earlier. So you can check out the different employees here, for example, and see their status. Okay, so all responses collected. So for example, Joseph Wilson has finished the form and we can see who hasn't done it yet. Okay, so collecting responses from John Day, you can see who's submitted. All right, the type of cycle it is, who set it up. Really good, so yeah, really. FEA is the missing piece for performance reviews at work. It works on top of your HRI, not instead of it. While tools like Bamboo HR are great for HR operations, FEI, as we showed you earlier, is designed for 360-degree feedback workflows. So here again, we can have another quick look at our 360-degree peer feedback questionnaire that we created. It really is a complete 360 experience, running peer, upward, self and manager reviews all at once to roll up into one combined report, as you can see here. You can go ahead and set up a report in this section, here. And as you can see, once the report's set up, we get a summary with a general overview, and I just love this little chart here. It's brilliant. This is honestly AI on another level if you really want to get the most out of your workplace. They've also got peer nomination flexibility, which is really cool. This lets you easily choose a governance model, like manager, for example, employee nominated or fully open to suit your company culture. Analysing data at scale no longer means exporting all that clunky data into Google Sheets or Excel. As we can see here in this example, there are written summaries for each employee. Here we can go ahead and click into Emma Brown. She's had her reviewers here and everything else she's been up to. This is great for surfacing team and cycle trends as it actually stops analysing. So guys, what do you reckon? I reckon FEA is pretty great. It's kind of a no-brainer. If you want to sign up, the link will be right at the top of the video description. FBA is really built for managers running an HR department, just to make their lives more streamlined and efficient. You'll save a heap of time, cutting down analysis by about 70%. Imagine what you could do now with all that extra time. So stop exporting to Excel and start making decisions based on the work that's already been done. Use your HRI for operations and EFI for performance. Kick off your first EFI review cycle today for free. You get the full suite, no restrictions and no credit card needed. And if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let us know in the comments what you reckon about FEI.